Hey guys, Willie Mayette, creator of JAZZEDGE, and I want to welcome you to this preview of the Jazz Christmas Music upcoming webinar. I want to talk to you about what's going to be in this webinar. So this webinar is going to focus on a few different things. First of all, I'm going to show you how to play the song. I'm going to give you an easy version. I'm going to give you a more advanced version. So I'm going to show you, like if you're more of a beginner student, how you could get started with this classic tune, My Favorite Things. And then also if you're a little bit more advanced, I'm going to show you how you can, kind of fill out that arrangement a little bit more. All right, it's kind of like what I was just doing there. The other thing is we're going to be talking about how to create that intro and ending that I played. I'm going to explain how I did it, why I did it, what the theory is behind it, and how you could utilize that in your own arrangement of this song or any other song. We're also going to be talking about how to harmonize the melody so that you can start to fill out the song a little bit more rather than just playing a single note melody. So if you've never done that before or you want to get some more information on that, this webinar will go through that as well. We'll be talking about how we can harmonize that melody to make it just that much more full. And I'm also going to be talking about some reharmonization and a few other tips like, when you have one chord that goes on for several measures, especially in 3/4 time, what's the groove that you would play, on that chord? So if you like this tune or you want to be able to use these concepts for other Christmas songs or just other standards in general, this webinar will definitely be for you. If you'd like to take part in this webinar and participate, it's only $5. If you go back to jazzchristmasmusic.com/webinar or follow the link in the description of this video, you can register. It's $5, and then there will also be a recording of the webinar. So you'll be able to get the recording, download the recording, and the recording will be yours to keep, all right? So you'll be able to join me for the webinar, see me do all of the teaching, and then also be able to download the recording, and it's only going to be $5. If you're interested in that, go ahead and check out the link in the description area, or go ahead back to jazzchristmasmusic.com/webinar, and I will see you in that webinar. Now, the day and the time is going to be Wednesday at 1 p.m., and that's going to be October 27th. Right, so October 27th, 2021 at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. So it's the same time zone as New York. Now, if you are not able to join live, don't worry. There's a recording of it, so you can go ahead and download the recording. But if you want to be able to get that recording, you need to register for the webinar. If you don't register for the webinar, then you won't be able to get that recording. I'm also going to be running a special on my jazzchristmasmusic.com website. So if you're interested in learning not just this song, but a whole bunch of other Christmas songs before the holiday season approaches, then you definitely want to check out the webinar because you can get the best rate for jazzchristmasmusic.com. All right, so anyway, that's it. Be sure to check out the description for the link to the webinar, and I'll see you guys in the webinar.